Feeling lost in the hype surrounding AI agents? Every tech outlet is talking about the next big thing, but most of what you hear is just noise. You have heard the term Agentic AI, but here is the reality. Most learners think automating a simple task is enough. Real understanding, the kind that makes you a senior professional, comes from seeing the actual architecture beneath the surface. AI agents are not just automating your workflows, they are changing the fundamental way systems interact, learn, and execute. We are moving from deterministic programming to probabilistic autonomous operations. The most common failure mode I see: organizations automating broken, insecure processes and deploying them with zero understanding of the underlying architecture. That is how you turn a small bug into a massive breach. Let's look at the dark side, the automated attack chain. It is no longer just humans manually probing your network. The threats themselves are becoming agentic. Step 1: OSINT collection. Automated agents scouring GitHub for hard-coded secrets, analyzing LinkedIn for employee tech stacks, and scraping public logs for exposed infrastructure. It builds a high-fidelity target profile in minutes. Step 2: adaptive phishing. These agents aren't just sending generic spam, they generate hyper-personalized content based on your public activity, making them nearly impossible to distinguish from legitimate communications. Step 3: delivery and execution. The agent finds the bridge between the target's environment and the attacker's command and control server, often utilizing living off the land techniques that evade basic signature-based defenses. Step 4: lateral movement. This is where it gets dangerous. The agent is actively navigating your network, identifying high-value internal assets, and finding the path of least resistance without alerting traditional SOC monitors. Step 5: data exfiltration. The final objective: automated, encrypted, and timed to blend in with your normal traffic, making it nearly impossible to trace after the fact. One objective, 5 steps. Zero human attacker. This is the entire kill chain, fully automated and scalable. But remember, the same architecture works for defense. The advantage is that we can leverage it first. It's a different target, using anomaly detection to spot lateral movement in milliseconds, not hours. The defense agent acts faster than any human operator ever could. With 100% coverage, your detection speed doesn't just improve, it becomes instantaneous, effectively neutralizing threats before they escalate into an incident. The difference isn't just deploying AI agents, it's knowing how to identify the signals that actually matter and solving real problems like a professional. Agentic AI is not coming, it's already here, and it is becoming used on both sides of the firewall. Because once you start seeing the patterns beneath the surface, you'll never look at technology the same way again.